Mr. Maltzberger, what is Google Mini Summit?
Google Mini Summit is very nerve-wracking for me as a teacher. A little bit scared because we're letting our tech media classes take over the school for half a day. We're going to have sessions, since we are a Google school, on how certain Google apps can help each student. And our kids, the Media Tech kids, are going to be presenting to the student body in small groups how to use, for example, Google Calendar, how to make them better organized because we all have access to Google Calendar, how to better utilize Gmail, how to better utilize our Google Drive, and to better organize them digitally, since all of our kids have access to that now. And we're going to use our class to teach the kids. So that's May 9th. We're very excited about it. We're putting a lot of time in it. We're going to rehearse. We're going to practice. So kids will be teaching kids, and teachers will kind of be in there as facilitators and to kind of watch and guide and let it go. So it's a new idea. It's unique. We haven't heard of it happening before. So we're ready to get that on, and it's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting, and we're going to open the school. Bring your own device, and kids will be teaching kids. So it's going to be great.
Thank you.